Hi friends. Bird ready to fly into the world of birds? Let's go. Birds are awesome. Big or small, colorful or plain. There are over 10,000 kinds of birds around the world, wow. From eagles soaring way up high to hummingbirds zipping around flowers. Birds do amazing things. Hear that? That's bird talk. Birds sing to chat, find friends, or say, "This is my tree." How do they fly? Their bones are light like paper, and their wings are super strong. Some, like the albatross, glide for miles without flapping once. Impressive, right? And guess what? Some birds don't fly at all. Penguins swim instead, like rocket-powered fish. Birds also go on wild trips called migration, flying thousands of miles, just to find the perfect spot to eat and rest. So cool. Plus, birds help nature by spreading seeds and eating pesky bugs. Go, Team Bird. Want to spot some birds? Just step outside, look around, and see who's flying by. You might discover a new feathered friend. Thanks for joining our bird adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more cool animal fun. See you next time, and keep your eyes on the skies.